You're welcome to FXPG Global Limited. Today is 6th of February 2023. 6th of February 2023. And this analysis spans from for this week, today being 6th of February 2023 to 11th of February 2023. So we're going straight up to what we're having. And here, this is a dollar index, and we're looking at watching dollar index to see what dollar index will likely give us this week. And this is a weekly analysis. So let's look at our 4 hours analysis and see the outcome of what we analyzed last week. So last week we analyzed that this was going to happen in the market. All right. And as you guys can see, we grabbed this, we got this particular move to this particular level here. So the market gave us 100% delivery of what we are looking at. And you know, market is fractal. So whatever that happened in higher time frame also happens also in lower time frame. So basically, here, what we're looking at now is see market has done a mega stop hunt down and take out this liquidity, and market has broken a structure to the upside, and we'll have this also as an OB on a higher time frame. Okay, so this will have as an OB 4 hours, sorry. So now let's go straight to daily time frame and see what the daily time frame is telling us. Now, if you go to daily time frame, you'll find out that here market has also broken a structure. This level here, structure has been broken here. Okay, so as market has broken structure here, so market will find a way to trade into this fair value and then push to the upside. Then mind you that always look at this level here, that this is a very great support and a very amazing order block. All right. So here also we have a fair value gap that has not been violated. Okay. So we have a fair value gap here that has not been violated. So we are seeing the market to hitting this level first before coming down. So the question here is, what are we then looking at that will happen here? So if this happens this way, maybe we'll see a market trade back into this fair value gap and push to the upside to hit this level. Then after this, we might still find this low again. But if this goes up and break above this high, then we'll have to retest and go further up. But for now, what we'll be looking at seeing this market do for us is we want to see them trade into this fair value gap and still go to the upside. So we are still on the buyers that market for this week might trade back into this fair value gap and then push to the upside. All right, this is what we'll be expecting to see from this particular chart. So we're taking out what we analyzed last week. So we're going back to 4 hours to see how the 4 hours plays. Now, this is what we're looking at here. So we'll have this fair value gap here. So like I said, market is fractals. So we'd like to see anything that will make market to come back into this fair value gap that will be on a buy again. So remember that here we also will have this level also to watch. This is a structural key level, SKL for us, all right? This is a key level. But when we find further down in lower time frame, you have your SKL in this place. So this is a structural key level also here. So anything that will make market come to this level here, all right, we'll be looking forward to take a buy to the upside. All right, so this zone here is very, very important. If you go to Latin and refine, you see find the SKL somewhere here. All right, so here is the level we're expecting to see this market. So what I was expecting to see from this particular trade is we want to see this happen. I would like to see this happen quickly back into this level here, all right, and then push to the upside. This is what I would like to see from this trade. So if it comes to this level, that will be good. Then we'll go to the upside. That is what we're expecting to see here. Then also another thing again I would like to point out here is because market is fractals, right? So if you watch here, we'll have this OB here. And suppose that is where the market is right now. Perfect. So we want to see a kind of a reversal to downside here. From here, we'll push to the upside. That is what we'll be expecting to see. So that's to tell you that want to see kind of a reversal back, then back to the upside again. Then if you go to weekly chart, the weekly chart will tell you that here is a kind of a fair value gap. So market have to come and tap into this OB here, this OB, this long wick OB here. What market hit this level before we may possibly see market come to down. So they have to hit this level first before it will come down to take out this liquidity and still go to the downside. But for now, this is what we're expecting from this chart, because there is a fair value gap. So market is likely to still come down. Market is likely to still come down from here, down again, to come and seek this level here. But for now, there's a pullback. So the pullback will be trading for this week. Good. So let's look at this at 4 hours. It's perfect. Then let's go to EURUSD. EURUSD, this was what we analyzed on EURUSD. We said that we want to see EURUSD come down to hit this level for us. Come down to hit this level for us. So as you can see, market trade into this fair value gap here. So they couldn't find a way to go to this up fair value gap, but they got into this fair value gap here and they came down. All right. So here, what we're expecting to see here now is we want to see this market still go further down. Then if you go to a weekly time frame, right, weekly time frame, let me take out some of those things I've written so that we can see it clearly. This was what we analyzed that will happen, which was what happened. So let's go to weekly time frame and see. And I'm zooming in right now. Please, if you have not subscribed to FXPG Global, this channel, kindly go and subscribe to this channel, as you'll be getting more information here from this channel, and it will enable you to become consistent in trading and winning. So here we'll have a fair value gap. So market trading into this fair value gap here, we'll expect market to go up. Once it enters this fair value gap, we expect it to trade back up again. All right. So now that is what we're expecting. But then we are seeing this as a clear of this liquidity level here, and then it got mitigated here. So there might likely be there may be a likelihood of this market trying to see pull back further down. But what we're analyzing based on this fair value gap. So because of the fair value gap, there may be a little way of this market going back up again. All right. So, but for now, this is a level we are watching. We want to see them trade properly into this fair value gap. Okay. So here we'll have daily charts. Daily charts. In this daily chart, of course, we'll have this as a fair value gap. And you see that market has broken this structure down, right? So here we'll have this fair value gap here, okay? And possibly market will find a way to root into this level So they can be to take away this liquid that's lying here. So that is it. And if you watch here, also we'll have a fair value gap here. All right. So what I will be expecting to see is I'll be expecting to see market do something like this, trade into this level, then come back, trade into this particular level, and then take out this liquidity, grab, come down into this particular level here, then before it will begin to seek its way to the upside. And that will also validate the fact that market has broken structure and market need to pull back at least 50% of the Fibonacci level, all right, then and move to the upside. So we're still on the uptrend, but we're trading reversal, all right? That is what we are seeing. On the higher time frame, market has not really broken structures to say that the market wants to sell. So, but in lower time frame, of course, you see markets selling, all right? So, guys, if you are my student, you understand that we go by high time frame buyers, and that is what gives us consistency in our trade. So that is what we will be looking at. All right. So that is what we'll be looking at. So let's go straight to 4 hours and now find out exactly what this market will do for us today. So I'm going to zoom out a bit. So for now, we'll have this. Market has broken the structure down. It took out all these liquidities and then it broke the structure down. Here, we'll have this. Here, we'll have this candle here. Then we'll have this movement to this level. And on this place, we'll have liquidity resting here. So what we should be expecting to see is anything that will make this market to trade into this fair value gap, then possibly challenge this low. So once it hits this OB that we'll have here, all right, then we might be expecting them to move to the upside here before coming down. Okay, so that is what we'll be expecting. If we have something like this, all right, down, hit this level, and possibly go up here, hit this level, and then challenge this level here. It's from this level here that we may likely have this market push back up again if they want to. But for now, this is what we'll be expecting from the trade. So this is what we're expecting to see this week. Then we're going to GBPUSD. GBPUSD, just as I told you guys, that we'll be expecting market to trade into, to come down here. All right, this was what we analyzed and we got it perfect. As you guys can see, it delivered perfect. So we had a pullback into this fair value gap here and it sold down just as we have analyzed. So it took out the trend line liquidity. This trend line, retail trend line liquidity has been taken out already. So what are we expecting here? So we'll have this high, this place now to watch, which is our OB. All right. So it has broken this. Then here, okay, so what we'll be expecting to see before this market comes down here, if it will, is we would like to see a play into this level here, fair value gap here, then challenge this level again, possibly down, or from here goes up here, hit this level before it will come down here. This is what we've expected. But then, if you watch, you see we'll have a fair value gap here. So we want to see them enter here, then challenge this low. Then from here, also sell. Then if you go to a higher time frame, and get it clearer or better. So here we'll have this. So this is a block because this has broken this structure. So this came down to this particular level here. Here we'll have buy stop liquid taken out with just a week and then came down to this level here. So we want to see market trade into this fair value gap here and then challenge this particular low. All right, so that is that. So I want to see this liquidity here taken out because this is where some people stop losses is right now. So we're looking for to take out that liquidity. If you go to one week, you'll see that market has actually opened up here with a very long gap. So if this market is able to, at the end of this week, is able to leave this particular base for us, market, that means next one will have to trade into this level to flush low. That means we're coming lower. But for now, this is what we'll be expecting to see. If this market taps into this level here, we can now expect aggressive push to the upside. All right, we'll see aggressive push to the upside. That is to tell you that markets that has been moving all the while has given you a retracement level that give you a kind of institutional retracement level before a push to the upside. Okay. So this is it. So let's go to 4 hours. I did this on 4 hours. So on 4 hours, we'll be expecting to see a push into this level, then come back on this zone, all right, and give us this push to the upside. And from here, we'll sit down. This is what we'll be expecting from this trade. Then the next one is gold. Weekly time frame on gold. Gold break structure to the upside. Now it got mitigated here. All right. Then opened up this level for us. So here, market is also coming into this fair value gap here. So which market has entered? So market to pull back again, trade into this level here, then flush down if it wants to. All right, because if this move simply tells that market needs to go to the upside to challenge this high, which I'm not seeing the possibility of market giving us this for now, because this is what is the loss on the higher time frame. If we go to lower time frame, there are a lot of fair value gaps in here, which the market will need to also obey. So for now, we'll be trading a kind of we'll still have to trade back to this level. Then we'll have to be mindful that the market will still come down again. Then here we'll have this, and this is a block. So I'm taking out this, and I'm taking out this. So what we'll be expecting to see here is we'll be expecting markets to find a way trade into this fair value gap here. all right, and then come back here to hit this level for us. Then we can look forward to this level here before we go down. This on daily, so on 4 hours there will be more clarity on 4 hours. So 4 hours, we're getting there. So I can zoom out so you can see the whole chart. Then here we'll have this block here. And we can refine this further to this level. So what we'll be expecting here is we're expecting a push into this level here, all right, into this level here, then come back down to this level here, which is the block, then find a way to the upside. Once you get to this level here, we'll be expecting these guys to come back down, mitigate this level, all right, for us, pull back, and then seek this level. This is what I'll be expecting to see. So I'll be expecting to see this market give us a pullback here. I will set this market aggressively to downside. So if this happened earlier on first, all right, that would be amazing. That would be amazing. All right. So that is what we'll be expecting to see from this particular trade. Then the next one. So here we have the structural key levels here. So we'll have this, and then we'll have this. So I'll be expecting to see market move this way. This level had been validated as a support level. That means there's liquidity there. So before then, we'll have to go here first, then come back and seek the liquidity, grab the liquidity. Once we grab the liquidity, we even find our way to go back up again and then see come down again. So this is what we'll be expecting to see from this particular chart. We'll be expecting to see market trade into this level and take hunt this liquidity, and possibly we might find a way to go back up again to trade into this fair value gap here, which is very, very important for us. So when they come back to this fair value gap, we'll be looking for to set the market to downside. All right, because this place here lies a very big imbalance candle. So once market hit this level, then we'll be looking for to set this market to downside. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe, share, and like. All right. The more you comment, you share, and like, the more YouTube algorithm will show this to many people who are looking for such amazing channel. Then let's go straight to the next one, which is USDCAD. I told us last week that we'll be expecting USDCAD to give us this particular approach back to the upside. As you can see already, the market gave us exactly what we anticipated. So we're taking this out. We are also seeing this thing getting to this level. So we want to see it hit this level, then sell down. Okay, that is what we want to see about on the chart. So this analysis is still valid. So we're still keeping this analysis is still valid. So anything from where the market is right now, the market is good and looking forward to sell a little bit. right? So this analysis is still intact. Then the next one is USDCHF. USDCHF is performing exactly as it was analyzed. So what there's more thing here I want you guys to see, and that will also determine what will happen next to this chart. Market has broken the structure, but after taking this liquidity, now it has broken the structure to the upside. So here also we'll have a fair value gap here, and this becomes a block. As you guys can see, we trade what we see and not what we feel. And a particular chart, you don't use a particular chart to decide if market is going to buy or market is going to sell. Every market is unique in its own way. So you have to analyze everything. All right. So we'll have this. So I was expecting to see the market trade back into this level to seek this high. To seek this high. This is what I was expecting. This is what I'm expecting to see from this chart. I would like to see them come back trade into this level to seek that particular high. So anything from this particular zone between here and here, I'll be eyeing this level here. Why? Because they are now validating this retail support resistance level. All right. So that is what I'll be expecting to see from this particular chart. Then the next one is NZD-USD. NZD-USD has played the manual very well. All right. Earlier on, we thought we anticipated that they might hit this level, but as you can see, they only took out this liquidity with wick and then came back to break the structure down. Now, once they've broken the structure down, we are done with what we're looking for. So here also we'll have a block. Now here also we'll have some. Here we'll have something here, and that is the structural key level or the breaker block. Okay, so market has done this. Then this was mitigated earlier on. Now what we will seek is we'll seek to have this push to this level and then to challenge here. All right. So this is what I'm expecting from this shape. I would like to see them pull back into this level to come back to challenge this liquidity. Take out this liquidity and come back here to come and mitigate this level. Then here also, I'm also, my eye is also here. Here. If I see the market go up to this level here, I will also take a trade here to shut down. All right. Then the next one. This is NASDAQ. NASDAQ. This is what we'll be expecting to see that will happen to NASDAQ. Want to see NASDAQ find their way, trade into this fair value gap here. All right. Then hunt this liquidity that's up here. So this analysis still remains the same. Then we're going to US30. US30 hits this level. All right. Here we'll have so here we'll have market come back, hit this level here, right? So want to see them do exactly what they know how to do best. Let's go to daily time frame. Come back, hit this level. So we need to see this guy go below, shut down. Does this? Shut it down. So are we looking for to set the market down? weekly time frame, 4 hours time frame. So here we'll have those liquidities resting here. Okay, I'm looking for to see a pushback, then I'll sell it down. So this is what we'll have here. So let's go straight to a lower time frame, like 3 hours time frame, and let's see if there's anything we're looking at here in 3 hours time frame. So I'm supposed to see that this market is going to go down. But if this market find a way to go to the upside, that means we'll be targeting this level here. Right? If we target this level here, then next thing from here we'll seek for a reversal. But for now, based on what the market has been doing, market has not been too friendly. So for now, I will avoid this particular chart. I won't be taking this trade for today until I see a clear setup, because I don't gamble with my money. Then the next one is USD JPY. All right, USD JPY. I told us when I analyzed this chart, I told us that this what I'm looking at. I want to see market hit this level. All right, hit this level. Based on that, look at the manipulation from here. We're able to get this level hit. All right, 100% delivery, 100% delivery, 100%. So we are positive to see this has happened. So the next thing, what are we expecting? We want to see the market find a way down. Then take out this high. And now we'll be seeking this level. So this is what we'll be looking at. This is what we'll be looking at on this particular chart. GBPJPY. GBPJPY, we expected to see something here. Market entered this fair value gap. So we trade into this fair value gap to take a well low, but then there's a gap here. So market also opened the gap here. So market also traded into this gap here. So when market trade into this gap here, what do you expect? A push to the upside. Okay, so here we'll have the, so now what we should be expecting here is, we should be expecting to see something like this happen. Tap into this gap here and then seek up. So this is what we're expecting to see. So this is what we expect to see on that particular chart. And this is what we'll draw the cutting for today analysis. So thank you very much for watching. Remember to share, like, and comment. Always go back to this, as it will enable you to master how to reach price action. And you see how I reach my price action to ascertain what the market is going to do next. You want to join our academy to master how we trade, please kindly visit fxpg.com.ng, all right, or chat me up on the number that you have there. All right. Thank you very much, guys. And do have a perfect trading week. I remain Godwin Emmanuel.